Hey, what's up? This is KHS for After Effects tutorial channel and welcome to my another After Effects tutorial. How to make particles motion on the live action footage. Let's start. Create a new composition and select your footage and then right click, freeze frame. Turn off the audio and lock your footage. Create a new solid, name it particles and go to effects. Select the trap code particular and turn off. Create a new light, point light, change the name emitter and press OK. Press shift, move it down and move to right and press shift, move forward. The particles start from the end of street. Okay, change the composition setting, Ctrl K, 0, set the time 5 seconds, 0. Press OK. Go to second one and press P, stopwatch. Go to second 3. Move the particles to center of the street and go to 5 seconds. Move the particles. Move it up like this. Okay, play now. There is. Select your particles and go to emitter. The light name is belong to light, choose name emitter, and then play your particles. Lights, there is the emitter, and turn on the particles. Here is the particles. Set the particles 20 and change the particles. Go to particle type, sprite, choose sprite, change the particles a different particle. I think this one is looking good. Press OK and set the size bigger and bigger. Set the random size and select the light. Set the light point a little bit up like this and play. Select the particles and go to live seconds, make 5 and set the size over live to small and set the velocity 50 and set the opacity. Don't change the opacity. Play. Set the size over live like this. Here is Okay, looking good. Select the particles, draw a glow effect, and change glow effect setting. Apply another one. Good. Change the glow to intensity 0.3 and create another new solid. Select the color yellow and name it shade. Turn off, select the pen tool and turn off the particles and the lights. Set it like this. Okay, and now sit here. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Select the solid and set the mask, the second mask to here. Like this one, and the third mask must be these places and these places. Okay, put the shade solid top of the footage and turn on and select and press shift plus on keyboard. And press T. Change it back to normal, press shift. Press MM, select the all mask and make feather. Press T. Okay, play now. Turn on the particles. When the particles are coming, stopwatch the opacity and go to second 5. Change this one to 100. Play. Press shift. Press T for the opacity. Press Ctrl Shift Y, change the color. Select your particle solid and go to velocity. Here is the random velocity and here is the motion. Change to 5 and play. Here is. And select your light. There is the light. Move forward again. Play now. Here is coming. And select the particles. Let's check the size. Change the size random to 0. This one is looking really good, and make it the second. Press Ctrl, change the size to much bigger and play again. Let's check the opacity over live. Render again. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about the particles on this 3D motion graphics. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.